Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. Firstly, access tab menu. Now find lock orientation icon and tap on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. But you can also go into device settings, choose display and scroll all the way down. Then click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. But you can always just check it out by going into one of your apps and simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!